This is Mark from the QuickBooks team. Entering your bills into QuickBooks Online makes it easy for you to keep track of what your business owes. This gives you a more complete view of your business. Bills are for expenses you plan to pay in the future. They can be something like a utility bill you receive from the power company, or they can be an invoice you receive from a vendor. Let's go over how to enter a bill in QuickBooks Online. Then we'll show you how to pay your bill online or with a check, and then how to record the payment. To start, go to New and select Bill. Select the vendor who sent you the bill. If you don't see them, you can add them here. Next, you'll see fields for your vendor's address, the terms they give you to pay your bill, and when your bill is due. If you have a bill number, enter it over here. If you've already entered your vendor info into QuickBooks, then these fields will populate automatically. Select the category that best describes what you're being charged for. For most bills, this is usually an expense account. If you don't see an account that describes what you're being billed for, then you can add one. Enter a description of what the bill is for and the amount. You can also attach a PDF of the bill if you have one. When you're done, select Save. You can see your new bill here in the vendors list. Note your navigation may look like this. Now let's go over how to pay your bills. Select New and Pay Bills. You can pay your bills online from QuickBooks, or you can mail in a paper check yourself. To pay online, select the bill you want to pay. You can pay one or multiple bills. Then select Schedule Payments online. You can pay from your bank for free, or from your credit card or debit card for a small fee. Note that you'll need to connect your bank the first time you do this. You can also decide if your vendor will receive payment by ACH transfer or a paper check. So even if you pay online, you can still pay your vendor by check. Follow the prompts to schedule your bill. When you're done, select Confirm and Schedule Payment. If you want to pay your bills by sending in a check yourself, then the process is similar. Select your checking account and enter in the date you're paying. If you're using a handwritten check, enter your next check number. If you're going to print your check from QuickBooks, then select the Print Later box. Select the bills you want to pay, and select Save and Print if you're going to want to print the check, or Save and Close if you're going to send a handwritten check. Now, the vendors list shows that you've paid your bill. The last step is to record your payment from the bank. This process is the same whether you paid by check or used online banking from either QuickBooks or your own bank. Find the transaction downloaded from your bank. You'll see that QuickBooks knows that you've already entered in a bill for this transaction. That's it. Now you're ready to start using QuickBooks to manage your bills.